Yo, what is up guys? It's Casey here bringing you guys another video. Today we are going to Ratchet Friday. We are leaving Marco's house, this dude right here, Marco. And we are headed over to a Walmart down, I think like 20 minutes away, meeting up with some other guys, and then we're gonna ride out to the meet. It's at a drag strip here in Florida. It's at a drag strip. It's like $20 to get in, but it's like a legit meet this time out of like the other ones that we've been to. So this one shouldn't get obviously shut down by cops because it's on the track and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is my first time going. I think it's Marco's first time going too, and some other guys. So yeah, we're gonna head to the Walmart right now, and then yeah, I'll pick it up once we get to Walmart. And I'll show you guys who's riding out with us. So yeah, catch you guys in a second. Can we get rollers, Jag? Oh shit.
Hey, check out my angle, kid. Check out my angle.
Oh!
Yeah. Hey, you're drinking.
Damn, you're drinking.
Your one wheel can't do this.
Oh my god, back kid.
I want it.
Tyler about to take a piss. Alright guys, so we just got here. We're in a thick line right now. It's gonna take a minute before we even get into the show, but yeah, we all met up over at Walmart like you guys saw earlier, and now we just drove like, I don't know, probably like an hour or so, 45 minutes to an hour just down back roads, and we got to the strip. This is my first time, me and a couple of the guys' first times, but there's a lot of people that have been out here before. I think it's 20 bucks to get in or so, 20 bucks to get in. And yeah, so once we're parked and everything, I'll pick the camera back up and we'll see what it's all about. So yeah, I guess we'll let you guys know what's going on in a second. I'm gonna race, bro? Yeah. Why should I? Wait, hold on, what is that? What?
Mercedes on the tower said LS.
Oh, look how bad I'm shaking. It's so cold. I need to get the tripod.
No, I did not call it a rat rod. Enough rats for that.
I don't see a turbo. You are the turbo. That's clean too.
What is it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
That trunk. Yo, this is what. What's an STI?
Holy shoot, whose car is this?
This man brings a race car to a drag strip and doesn't even race. How do you not do that? How are you gonna do that? How?
What are these for? Your lights? Are these your lights?
Why are you touching that man's car? What if he shows up and beats your ass?
Bro, you bring a race car and don't even race. I don't understand.
Oh, is
You
this
have a
fake
race car.
Huh? Is this a fake car?
Guys, I'm trying to get one of these. Look at that. Marco, I'm trying to get one, brother.
That shit looks exactly like my video.
On the ground. All right, Tyler, what's your money on? The SUV or the Z?
If the Z's automatic, but if it's not,
Is that a Benz? I thought that was an Audi.
it is.
I think it's an Audi.
I don't fucking know that damn. Look,
See? Hey, he's gone.
that's the one.
Warm up your tires, Theo. Warm up your tires. There you go. Yo, who is this, Tyler? His name's Louis. Hey, someone's getting towed.
Car is sent out of Inglewood in the beautiful Sabre on the right-hand side of the racetrack.
There's a Subi over there.
Yeah.
You can't see it through all this smoke. Oh, this could be a good run. Oh, the Z's are about to run too.
In the 71.
No, this is about to be a good run.
Trevor Gearin out of Sarasota, the Subaru.
Here we go. Tyler, this could be you, bro. Why aren't you running? What is that supposed to mean? You can still be out there. Alright, who do you think's gonna win though? The green one or the white one?
Fucking teal.
It's minty looking one.
You're gonna say my name.
Oh snap, we got our boy over here. The Q50.
You know what lane it is?
Q50, this is his first time driving on the track. Julian, you got this.
Infinity and Mercedes. Okay, you were your yippee car in the Ratchet.
Alright guys, so they're supposed to have a two-step battle, right? I don't know. I think they're supposed to have a two-step battle, but they have a burnout battle. They have a burnout battle, but I think they're doing a two-step. I don't know. But the goal tonight is what? To see how big of a crowd you can get behind your car. Honestly, so like whenever that starts,
Well, if they allow.
if they allow two steps, I don't know. They've already had people coming here two-step off the best. But if we're gonna see how big of a crowd we can get behind Tyler's car. So we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll even try to two-step. My little ring ding ping, just to see for fun.
Alright, it's time to show off.
Tyler started something. Keep going. Do a little bit more.
Give me the camera.
Do a little bit more. Get everyone's reactions. Keep going. Oh yeah! So me and Tyler started something. Tyler starts two-stepping, and then I was like, I'll do it too. And then we just had the biggest crowd behind us. All my lights are on, so everyone's looking at us.
You want me to bring everybody back away?
Yo, that was funny as mess.
Dude, he was like, bro, you brought a whole crowd over here. And I'm like, all right, let me get out and look. I look, and it's like the whole event was just standing right behind my car.
Oh my gosh. But I have no flames, so that's the funny part. I don't have any flames. Huh? Yeah, do it. Marco's gonna two-step his for us. This dude's heating his hands up. Look what you started! Oh my! Look what you started! Holy shit! You started battles out here, bro! My ears! Hey, his will blow up before mine. It has a turbo. My ears!
I can't even stand up.
It's gonna blow up, dude. Roll your window down. Alright, don't turn it on. Julian running it again.
Holy shit, he went 6'5". That's fast.
Julian, who's he running it with? Oh,
Hellcat. He's gonna get gapped.
Hellcat.
He raced the same Hellcat last time. And he got gapped. No, he raced that AOG last time.
SMT, Hellcat.
I